What's going on, my friend? Garrett over here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for how does affiliate marketing work? Maybe you want affiliate marketing explained in very simple terms for beginners. Well, you're in the right place. Now, I've been doing affiliate marketing full-time for over 5 years now. You can see on the screen, I've actually made thousands of dollars in many different affiliate programs. You can see on the screen right here, total paid in just this one affiliate account was over $26,000. You can see in this one right here, total paid was around $26,352, and I still have money coming in. Okay, now what I'm going to share with you again is how to really get started from A to Z, how to find good products to promote, how exactly to get people to your affiliate link so you can start to make sales, and other mistakes and pitfalls you want to avoid when you want to actually create results as soon as possible. Now, before I dive in, if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training, be sure to click that subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't already, so you're always notified. But without further ado, let me break this down right now. Okay, so I have an online whiteboard right here, and what I want to do is share these 3 simple steps. Now, affiliate marketing is incredibly simple. Okay, that's the good part about it. A lot of these other business models out there like drop shipping or completing surveys or other things, they take a lot of work, they take a lot of effort. Affiliate marketing is a skill that you're probably already doing. Okay, so for example, if I want you to imagine if you've ever recommended a restaurant. Okay, maybe there was a new restaurant that opened in your neighborhood and you went there, you had a great meal, and then you told one of your friends, hey, you have to go to this restaurant, it's amazing. And then they went and actually bought a meal at the restaurant. Well, you just did affiliate marketing. You recommended someone to a product, okay, the food in the restaurant, and they bought. The only problem was you didn't make any money. So with affiliate marketing, you promote products online, and when someone buys through your link, that product, you get credit for that sale, and you actually make a portion of that money, okay? So step 1 is we want to find a good converting, high-ticket affiliate product, okay? Ideally, $250 per commission. So let me break this down. Now, a lot of people are going out there, they're doing affiliate marketing, and they're first off promoting products that aren't selling well. Meaning you can recommend someone to, let's say, a restaurant, but if the restaurant isn't good, you're not going to have to, or you're not going to make sales, right? You're not going to actually make money. So if you're promoting a product online and that's not a good product, or the sales page, the website that sells people on buying is not good, you're not going to be able to make a lot of sales. So we want to find a good converting product, a product that's already selling well. And I'm going to share with you in a second how to do that on a popular affiliate marketplace. But also, you want to promote a high-ticket product. Now, I made this mistake for many, many years of my journey. A lot of people are making this mistake. They're going out there, maybe they're finding a product that's selling well, but when they actually make a sale, it pays them very low. It maybe pay them $50 or $100 per sale, per commission. Now, why is this a problem? Well, let's open up a calculator, okay? And let's say you want to make $10,000 a month. I know a lot of my followers do. That's a popular goal. And let's divide that by 100. Let's say you only make $100 per sale, per commission with affiliate marketing. You would need 100 sales, okay, per month, which, divide by 30 days in the month. That's about, 3 sales a day. Rather than that, what if you just could promote a product that paid you $1,000 per commission, okay? So again, $10,000 per month. 1 sale pays you $1,000. You only need 10 sales per month, or about 1 every 3 days, okay? So this is a lot easier. Now, what niches or categories do you want to find products in? There's 3 big ones that I recommend, either health, wealth, or relationships. These are called evergreen niches or categories. These are always relevant. People always want to improve their health. They always want to improve their wealth, and they always want to improve their relationships. So if you find products in one of these, you're going to guarantee yourself it's going to be pretty profitable, okay? So step 2, okay, and then I'm going to go back through the steps and break them down in more detail. Step 2 is once you find that good converting product, we then want to use a proven and easy traffic source to get daily clicks to your affiliate link, okay? So if you don't know what traffic, basically that's just eyeballs. That's just people online looking at your product, okay? So we want to use a proven and easy source to get people consistently clicking on your affiliate link. The more high quality people you get to click on your affiliate link, the more people will go to your sales page, get convinced to buy, and when they buy, you make money. And that's step 3, okay? So step 3 is basically you can see what is making you money and you can scale up fast, okay? So maybe you try 1 or 2 traffic sources. On my channel, I have a lot of different training on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, okay? These are different ways to get traffic or clicks to your link. I break down in more detail, but essentially you want to see which one's working and you want to do more of that, okay? So now that you understand the overview, I want to go down a little bit deeper into this. And by the way, I also want to share that I'm going to have a free training at the link directly below this video. It's a full in-depth free training that one of my business partners has done on affiliate marketing, how to really take this to the next level and hit your income goal fast. Like I said, this video is more of an overview, but feel free to check that out. And I think you're really going to love how simple it actually is. But let's say step 1, find a good converting high ticket product. You can go to a site like ClickBank, okay, clickbank.com. All you have to do is sign up here, okay? It's actually free to sign up. You just put in your details, create a username, put your email address, password, continue to terms and conditions. And then once inside, okay, let me log in again. Once inside your account, okay, you want to go to your marketplace. It's going to be a tab at the very top of the page, okay, right here. We want to go to the marketplace and we want to choose a category. Now this is, again, looking back here, we want to choose one of these categories. So health, wealth, relationships. In ClickBank, it's really the e-business, e-marketing. Okay, that's the wealth. Health and fitness, that's the health. And then self-help is going to be where the relationships, okay, category are. Okay, so let's say, for example, health and fitness. When you click that category on ClickBank, for example, to find high converting products that pay you good commissions, we want to sort results by gravity, okay? And then we want to look at this gravity score. Now, this gravity score tells you how many sales on average within the last week or so other people have been making. The more sales other people have made, the more sales you can potentially make, okay? So this is incredible. Anything over 30 is good. This is 1,234, okay, which is amazing. We also want to look at the average dollar per conversion. This means how much money per sale on average are we going to make? Like I said, the higher the gravity, the better selling, and the more dollar per conversion, the better, okay? So let me go down a little bit, try to see. All of them are about 100 and, anywhere from 120, 150, which is okay, okay? It's not incredibly high ticket. And again, at the link below, you'll see how to actually find, $1,000, $2,000 per commission sales. But, for this sake, we could do this one. Then on ClickBank, you just hit promote, generate hop links. And then this right here is your affiliate link. This is what you want people to click on. The more people that click this, they're going to get taken to the sales page, okay? And they're going to, read it. And because it's high converting, chances are they're going to buy. And then when they click order now and they actually purchase, you're going to get credit and you're going to get money, okay, into your account, which then will transfer to your bank account, or you can get a check if you go through ClickBank, okay? Now, how do we actually get people to click? Like I said, I have a lot of different trainings. That's mostly what my channel is about. But very briefly, you can even just go to Facebook, okay? You can use your basic, simple, free profile, and you can just make posts on here, okay? Start to get engagement, okay? And then you can make a post, like something like this, okay? Telling people, if they want more information on what you're promoting, to comment, okay? And then when people comment, you can just send them your affiliate link. So how? Okay, so I could literally just open up this person, message them, and then send them my affiliate link, okay? So again, go through other videos if you want to learn more about how to get clicks. This is really how affiliate marketing works. So I really hope you got value in this video. If this made sense, be sure to click the like button so I know to make more. Also subscribe with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting weekly videos. And last but not least, be sure to get access to that free training. Again, when you go to my website, put your best email in. I'll send you a private email to that free training. And it's going to take you A to Z, way more detail on affiliate marketing, how to avoid mistakes, okay, that often people struggle with for years, and how to really shortcut your results in as quick and easy a time as possible. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next training.